Hello, sir.
Hello, I need a visa. Morning everybody from Islamabad. Here is the visa entry form. So these guys behind in this little van can help me fill out my visa. And there's the embassy just there. It's already filling up. It's 7:30. There must be at least 100 people out there already. Opens at 9. So I'm going to get my visa here, form filled out, and then walk over there.
You didn't travel to North.
So this is the rain that's caused all the floods. It's coming through. Massive heavy rain. Anyway, I'm under shelter here. Oh, that's annoying. So I've got to head down here to find a Western Union to pay for another invitation letter. Hopefully I get back before they close. Let's see. Administration. All right, I think I'm sorted. That was a bit of a faff. So they don't accept money from Pakistan to Afghanistan. No Western Union, nothing, no transfers are allowed. So I couldn't transfer money for an invitation letter. Went in there and spoke to the ambassador. Such kind, nice people. So good. First impressions of Afghanistan, really nice people. And anyway, they told me to pay my money and come back at 3 p.m. today. So hopefully that means I've got a visa. There's a flight tonight at 5:30. Let's see if I can catch that. I haven't booked it yet, but one piece of the puzzle at a time, and I'm going to go have some food and some tea. That's all done. All those vans down the back here, they are all doing visas for that huge queue of Afghans that's there. Just bought a thing of Coke to rehydrate a bit. It's really quite humid. That's the van that I did my visa application in. These are the guys that are doing all they're standing in the queue. Amazing. Just had some Afghan food. Lovely. Really nice. Now heading back to the hotel, chilling out for a bit, and let the day continue.
I would like to welcome you on board this flight 928 operating to Kabul. Our flying time to Kabul will be approximately.
Welcome to Kabul, everybody. Welcome to Afghanistan, everybody. It's landed in Kabul. Incredible how many people in wheelchairs. They must all go into Islamabad hospital. Well, this is Kabul, right on sunset. Change some money. I'm not too sure how we get out. I guess it's down here. So I just got a taxi. It was really easy. Really nice guy. 600. Don't know if that's too much or not. And yeah, very simple. Less haggling than in Islamabad. Nice. Hello.
Hi.
Thank you for being so kind to me. Yes, I just got here to Afghanistan.
You are also welcome to Afghanistan. I'm so happy.
Thank you.
Not just for you, for all the tourist people. You are welcome.
Oh, you're very kind. I've only had good experiences about Afghanistan so far.
Thank you, sir. But I have a guest. We are going to Akan, Badakhshan. So tomorrow you want to go to Herat, sir?
Yes, Herat tomorrow. I see you don't drive with your lights on. Is that a reason? So, why your headlights? Do you use them or
No,
not?
I don't use for the humanity light.
Oh, you don't like your humanity?
Yeah, otherwise it's so fast, you see.
Oh, it's too bright.
Yeah, it's too bright.
So other people, you don't hurt the people on the side.
I don't want
To blind them.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
Otherwise, in Afghanistan, it is so like.
But a lot of people that drive without their lights on. I can see one, two, three.
I just use it on the long way.
Oh, on the long way.
Kandahar, Iraq, like
Oh, but not short, like this guy here, you're not short.
Yeah.
So just wandering around the streets, getting some food, but it's starting to rain. And I don't want to be caught in the rain, and I'm not that hungry, so I'm just gonna wander back, see if I can get some sleep, since I gotta get up early for my next flight. Oh, that is thunderstorm. It's quite easy actually. The Taliban all have got white Toyota Land Cruisers, brand new. And you can see them whizzing around. I've never seen so many Toyotas. Apparently they requisitioned them all. My taxi driver was saying when at the end of the war, every agency had white Toyota Land Cruisers. So there are hundreds in this town. This is going to be interesting. I can't wait. So this is my room I got for about 1,000 Afghani, single bed, shared bathroom. That's about 20 odd bucks Australian. It's pretty good actually. I'm really quite impressed. It's clean sheets, big room. Yeah, quite impressed so far with Afghanistan.